guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is over my 10-minute makeup routine. This is the makeup that I do when I'm like super in a rush and I just need to like look decent, or if I'm working a really early shift and I need to look presentable. This is what I do. It takes me about 10 minutes. I'll put a timer right over here, just so you guys know that I'm not lying and like snipping parts out. But it might take me like a minute or two longer this time because I'm explaining the products or what I'm doing. I'm going to try to move as quickly as possible though, so you guys know that it is possible to get ready in 10 minutes. And this is how I do it. I like it to look super natural, but like obviously like the under eyes I want to cover up. I have darkness right here and no brows, so we gotta fix that. So if you guys want to see how I get ready in 10 minutes, please keep watching. So we're gonna go ahead and set a 10-minute timer and then we are gonna get started. First thing I like to do is my brows. I like to use the color Taupe from Anastasia. The reason why I like using such a light color is because when I'm moving quickly, I'm not very precise and I don't want to put too much product on at once. So when I'm using the color Taupe, no matter how quickly or hard I'm pressing, it's gonna be natural. And like just like that, I have brows. And plus, since I'm not doing eyeshadow on my 10-minute makeup look, I don't need my brows to be like anything crazy. I know people think taupe is like super light, but like look how natural my eyes look, or my eyebrows look with this shade. And this is actually just like the pencil. It's not the retractable or anything like that. Alright, I'm gonna brush them out. And that's it. I'm going to clean it up underneath with the Anastasia Highlight Brow Duo. And for this one, I just like to put it right underneath at the very front. Oh my gosh, I forgot I paused it so I could go get my brushes, but now we're going to start back up. I'm using just like a flat brush to clean it up really quick. Brows are my brows are super important to me, which is why I have to do them. Okay, that's done. So the next step that I'm going to do is take my concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm in the shade Golden Beige. It's like my perfect shade right now. And guys, this is like 10 times better than the Shape Tape. I put a little bit on my nose and around it because I have redness. And then just right here because I have scarring. And then obviously down here because I have dark under eye circles. They're not that dark, but it's still something I want to use. And I do use a brush because it's a lot quicker than using like a beauty blender. And really all I'm doing is pressing it into my skin. And I'm also getting it on top of my eyelids. Because my eyelids are discolored. Like, look at the difference. I look so awake. And then I just drag it down a little. Again, just pressing it in. This brush is so old, it's like falling apart, but I love it. Just a little bit on the forehead. And with the excess, I just drag it around my lips. I don't know why, it's just habit. So now I'm going to set my face with some translucent powder. This is just from Rimmel London. It's the Stay Matte. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know it's my favorite. Just going to set my under eyes and my eyelids with it. And a little bit of my nose. Oh my gosh, I only have 5 minutes left. So now that my face is set, I'm going to go in with an all-over face powder. This from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. You guys hear my dad in the background? Talking to my dog. Also going to put it on my forehead. Oh, I feel like I look really washed out. I'm going to adjust the lighting and see if it looks better. But yeah. Just smoothing all my discoloration out. And then I don't do any contour or anything like that. I just add a little bit of blush. This is MAC Melba. It's my absolute favorite right now. I even put a little bit on my nose just to have a little bit of color. And then last but not least for my face, I'm going to use the Fenty Kilowatt Highlighter in Me, Money, and Hustler Baby. I'm just going to use my Anastasia A23 brush. Because, you know, I gotta glow even when it's a light makeup. Just makes my skin look healthy. And then for the last thing on my brows, I'm just going to use the Gimme Brow. This is like a little sample one. And I'm going to brush it through my brow hairs. Just makes it look super natural. And then, so at this point, I'm basically done. The only thing that I'm going to do is, I don't have any lashes. You guys have to understand. If I had a little bit of lashes, if I had any lashes at all, I would just put mascara on, but I don't. So I'm just going to put on some Lily lashes. These are my natural lashes. And so I'm just going to pop them on real quick. I know, it's like a 10-minute makeup routine, like it's supposed to be quick, and I'm over here gluing on lashes. But listen, I have nothing. You guys have to understand. Nothing. So listen, if you have natural lashes, bless up. You guys are blessed. You guys can just put on mascara, be good to go. I don't have that option. So I'm going to put on fake lashes. I'm going to curl them real quick. Let's see how much time I have left. I have 1 minute and 26 seconds left, which is not bad because I've been talking. Like, look at the difference with lashes. Like, I don't know what I was doing before these lashes. Honestly. I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. And then for lips, I'm just using this NARS Orgasm Lip Balm. Gives me like a nice pink tint. And time is up. That was exactly 10 minutes. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can see my skin looks super fresh, super healthy. It only took 10 minutes, and if I wasn't talking, I probably could have got it done in 5 minutes, but still got it done. It's the quickest makeup routine that I have, and it's one of my favorites. I've been actually doing it a lot lately because I've been working super early in the mornings. Like I said, if you don't want to throw on lashes, if you have your own lashes, just throw on some mascara and you're good to go. I was not blessed in that area, so this is why I'm throwing on fake lashes. So if you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to me already, please subscribe down below. And if you aren't following me on my social medias, I'm going to link it right here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!